To start our project, we used one of the main takeaways from talking to humans, which was to get out of the building. This means that before we came too invested in an idea on our own, we needed to conduct customer discovery surveys to see what was needed among our customer segment. We did various interviews with coaches and participants for workout classes through email and in person at City Row, Solid Core Pilates, Auk Fitness, Red Yoga, and at the CCRB and IM. We surveyed the environment and saw all the essential parts that were included in making workout classes successful: motivating music, client waters and towels, lockers, equipment, and more. Through these interviews, we learned that there are a variety of adjustments that could be implemented to making the workout experience more productive and enjoyable.
Our interview with an instructor allowed us to gain insight on what needed to be done to improve our customer segment. This led us to our brainstorming phase. Our team discussed a series of solutions to problems that we thought would be beneficial for these businesses. Through speaking with the professionals, we found two major things to correct. The first of which being the proficiency of the laundry system in regard to washing and drying client towels to be prepared for every class, given the ever so busy schedule these places offer. Secondly, we thought to address the need for a constant variety and source for music. We often found that clients would not return to such classes given that they would get bored with the rhythms and wanted to hear music that would motivate them to achieve success.
Originally, we were going to go with the idea of providing a laundry service for these fitness centers. We would come each day and collect their towels to wash overnight and return in the morning. We thought this was very efficient and relieved the stress of owners from having to do the laundry themselves, but soon realized that the turnaround for laundry may not be fast enough and that doing this every day may be too large of a
Here we got
commitment.
an outsider's opinion on the subject.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you like to work out and attend workout classes?
Yes, I do. In Ann Arbor, I usually go to Solid Core like a couple times a week. I also go to Title Boxing a lot, and I've been to Orange Theory as well here.
What's a motivating factor for you within a workout class?
It's really helpful when there's an instructor that's kind of like yelling positive things. Like my girl at Solid Core, Brianna, is always like, "All right, Becky, I see you." Like I love that. Also, the ambiance helps if there's like cool lighting and good music. Also.
Do you think music ever deters you from attending a class if it's not motivating or upbeat?
Um, I'll usually try it, and then if I don't like the music, I probably won't go back. Like I've been to some classes where there's definitely an older crowd in the class, and they're playing a lot of old-fashioned music that isn't really my thing, and I like more popular, upbeat music when I'm working out.
So would you not sign up for that specific trainer because of their music?
Yeah, I probably wouldn't go back again if I didn't like it.
If there was an app created that kind of consisted of upbeat music, popular music that trainers could just pick from based on their clientele, do you think that would be helpful to avoid situations like that?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's important to know who's going to be attending your class. Obviously, if there is a range of ages and types of people, then it is important to cater to everyone. But I think just knowing who's going to be there and selecting your music based off those categories are really important and would definitely help people attend.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next, we decided to iterate our specific problem, solution, and prototype. The problem we settled on was the need for new, motivating music. Our solution was to create a system or app that provided trainers with a variety of genres of music options and playlists to use within their training sessions. We created a prototype and a layout that would provide these aspects to trainers to use when teaching their classes. When shown in class, students agreed that it was a great idea and also considering using it on their own. After showing an instructor in training at Movement Cycling, Rachel Rollman, our idea, she was ecstatic and loved the idea of not having to worry about planning out her own music each class she teaches. We decided to stick to this idea. As you can see, we've provided footage of what our proposed idea and app would look like and how one can choose their type of workout, tempo, and create and edit playlists as they use the product.
To reflect, we started with our empathy map of our customer segment of workout instructors having minimal background on the feedback we would get. We were able to further this map with all aspects of the feelings and emotions we predicted our customer segment would obtain. We created our final BMC, which was improvised along the way, that ultimately helped steer us in the right direction and allowed us to achieve success.